What's up, Flow family? Welcome back to another video with your local Flow Prodigy. If it is your first time on this channel, I'm Brendan Perez, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button to see more videos like this one. In this video, we're going to be going over how to grind the rail at the top of the wave, aka board sliding. Let's get into it. First things first, you want to make sure that you have your carving down before attempting this board slide. You want to start off by getting comfortable with carving on your toe edge, either in one spot or even going across the wave. You can even grab the rail at the top to help you with your balance. Once you're good with that step, you can then move on to the next step of twisting your hips and doing small tail touches at the top of the wave, where each time you slowly spend more and more time on the rail until eventually you can just piece everything together and do the full grind of the board slide across the wave. When turning to carve, you then want to use the momentum to slide your tail of your board over the rail to then begin your grind. During the whole board slide, you want to keep your weight over your front foot, because if you're leaning too far back, you then run the risk of your board getting caught at the top in the grates, and you could possibly fall and wipe out. You always want to keep your weight and balance over your front foot to make it easier to slide back in down the wave, or even just in case if you want to bail out mid-grind. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, definitely leave a thumbs up down below. And if you haven't already, show some love and hit that red subscribe button. And if you look right next to the red subscribe button, you will see a bell-shaped icon. That is the notification bell. Click on that notification bell and you will be notified every time I upload. And I will see you on the next one.